It is very hard right now. The rain is very hard, not me. Woo! Oh, that mist is cold. I'm awake now. We had dinner. We had dinner. Voice crack. It's gonna be like this all night. Not this hard, but it'll be raining all night. And tomorrow is gonna be absolutely ridiculous with the rain. I mean, and the wind too. Mostly the wind. Ah, come on, that light. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, God. That light went out. Well, pink. It's kind of pink out here. I think that's my cue to get inside. Whew! Difficult doing it this way. No! Missed it. It's that way though. What the helly bear? Alright. Fall thunderstorm. You gotta do something. Rickety fibblebink. Dual camera setup. One. I forgot. Do something, you lame. Got the 710 here. Oh, well, something. I'd like to see a bolt, though. Maybe I got it. Over there, weird. So this is running low. Please, I pray. Oh, whoa! I think they're in the clouds now. Can't do it. Let me shut this one off. I don't even know what the radar looks like right now. No rain from there. Okay. That's cool. Yeah, now it's getting cold. Oh my! Oh, that was a bolt. It wasn't a big one, but it went around us. Hey, mine. Should I just go until this thing runs out of charge or what? Smells like strawberries. Laundry or something. Candy. Someone left candy in their pocket. You see the other tree now from over here. Come on. It was raining. Oh, dude, I think I got that. Oh my. Oh, who's? It was raining. Oh. That was weird. It sounded like the crack of time. I don't know what I'm saying. It was raining hard about 15 minutes ago. It looked like it was foggy out. That's how bad it was. That was wonderful. Weird feeling tonight. That light is ridiculous. I should probably stop talking. That thunder sounded immaculate. Should I? No, I would be saving 10 seconds of time. What am I doing this? It's a plane. I'm holding this camera weird, but whatever. Get out of my strap thing. You thing. Fall 2015, oh my god. For some people, 2025 is their 2015. Do something. Whoa, did you frickin'... I called that right there. It is saying hi to me. What the hell? I know about B-stars. I know. People, get ready to ride. It's a good song. It smells like a cigarette. It's probably a reason. Please. I want to see one more and then I'll pack up and go inside. Please. You've been cooperating in a very divine way the entire time I've been recording here, so come on. I don't know. I don't know. Straight up this time. Something. He tried. I want some more. ASMR. Ew. That's what my most popular video starts with, as a gross noise in the beginning. Hooray me. Hooray. I get weird feelings out here. That was weird. It's very smooth sounding, light. Damn. This Jeep, you can go a little faster. Speed limit is 10, not 3. You're boring. Trying to wake it up a little bit. People out there on their sports motorcycle crotch rockets or whatever. And this stuff. One more and I'm gonna go in. No lie this time, no lie. I just gotta not be stupid. Alrighty. Well, that was it. I don't wanna frickin' punch myself in the head, but that's how everything goes. Anyways, tomorrow is supposed to be insane with the wind and a little bit of thunder, maybe. I might make a video on that. I might come out. Hopefully it's not like the beginning of September. That was like inclement or something. That was ridiculous. But yeah, it's starting to rain. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you for 10 years on this account. I've been making videos for about 7 now, but that's crazy. But this account was Mom's. She made it 10 years ago, September 2015. It's cool it's lasted this long. Anyways, thanks for watching. Screw the shoes. Look at my freaking shoes. It's like a train. This started in the last 5 minutes. We got home, nothing was happening. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's ridiculous. Ew. Pumpkin frick got flooded. Oh. I closed it. Are you kidding me right now?
Open the door for me, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's cold. It's just afternoon right now. If anyone's curious. Cold. Cold. Cold, very cold. Go by a little faster, dude. I'm just out here shirtless like a normal person when it's 35 degrees. That's all I wanted to record. Just the crazy freaking wind starting today, and this thing's already dead. Oh my god. This battery's like getting worse or something. Look at the clouds. They're going fast. Trust me, they're going fast. People don't believe me when I say that in my videos, like I'm clickbait or something. You need to understand you're looking at a screen, not in front of you in real life. Sorry, I get really pressed when that shit happens. I'm going inside now. Box elder. Athena. You're good. You just need to stop chewing. That's it.